subscribe to Techdroids and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update in the future. Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf Shah from Techdroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video, let's talk about the Galaxy Note 9. It's right around the corner and it will be launched somewhere in August. And the leaks and rumors have started piling up, so in this video, I take you guys over the top 5 upcoming features of the Galaxy Note 9. So with that being said, go ahead and like this video, also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Now starting off with the new features, number 1 is going to be a bigger battery. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy Note 9 will have a 3850 mAh battery with a new 18-watt fast charger included in the phone's box. Also, a bigger battery is something that we've always wanted in the Galaxy Note series. Also, the Note 8 was a really good device, but it hardly, got through a day of use, or at least a day of heavy use. And the Note series is meant for heavy users. It's meant for passionate users who use their phone every day for productivity, gaming, camera use, and just, media consumption. And that big screen does not last for a long time. So a 3850 mAh battery should really help. Now, number 2 is going to be Bixby 2.0. No pun intended there, but Bixby 2.0 will get some new features into the AI itself. And it will be able to do much more. But we all know how much Bixby sucks, so I am not really excited for Bixby 2.0. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are excited for Bixby 2.0. And yeah, that annoying button that you cannot remap on the side of the phone still exists, so let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts. Big feature number 3 is going to be a new and redefined S Pen. Now the S Pen is kind of like the trademark of the Galaxy Note series. If the S Pen didn't exist, you're just buying a new, bigger Galaxy S device with a bigger battery and a bigger screen. And the Note series is known for its S Pen, and the S Pen this year will be redesigned. As always, it's going to be water resistant, and now the rumor suggests that it'll have a microphone. Now, in my personal opinion, the microphone can be used for many things. It can be, used for voice commands to Google Assistant or Bixby 2.0 if, Bixby is your thing. Also, you can use it to write down notes or record S memo without even turning on the phone. That's something you can do with the S Pen. Just write down your notes and then you can just continue with whatever you're doing, and you don't even have to unlock the phone. So that's something I'm excited for. And the S Pen is one of my favorite features in the Galaxy Note device, so I'm really excited to see what Samsung has to offer this year. Big feature number 4 is going to be an in-display fingerprint scanner. Now this is something we've been waiting for, or at least hoping for, from the past 2 Note devices, and this year it's finally going to happen, or at least this is what the rumors suggest. Now take this with a grain of salt. The technology is still in beta and not many companies have been able to implement it in their phones. But Samsung makes their own displays, so they know their displays better than anyone does. So implementing in-display fingerprint technology is easier for them comparing to other companies. So in-display fingerprint scanner would be great if it's there, and also will not have to deal with that awkward fingerprint sensor placement at the back, which always ends up smudging the camera. So big thumbs up for the in-display fingerprint scanner from my side. Also let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think. Now big feature number 5 is going to be something related to software. It's going to be a new UI for the Galaxy Note 9, and it's dubbed as Crown OS. Now the Galaxy Note series of devices in the past have always had some exclusive features to themselves that don't exist on the Galaxy S series of devices. And this time around, Samsung is trying to step that up by redesigning a complete new user interface for the Galaxy Note 9. So again, I'm excited to see what Samsung has to offer in this one. Or again, it's going to be a new incarnation of TouchWiz, just shoving up new features up your face which you don't really care about. So again, let me know in the comments down below what you think about this one as well. Now, those were the top 5 big features coming into the Note 9. Something else that will be making its way will be the Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM, and also 64GB of storage. Now that's about it for the video guys. Let's hope Samsung has to offer something good in this year's Galaxy Note 9. Also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also hit that notification thingy so you don't miss out on future uploads. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.